I am Arsema Thomas, and I play Lady Danbury in Queen Charlotte, A Bridgerton Story. And with you today, I'm going to do my skincare routine and a little makeup look that I use when I go out. I use a little bit of African black soap. I didn't always use African black soap until I heard that Rihanna uses it, and that's why her skin looks all good. I try and use an exfoliator, and I use this one. It's called Cocoa Kind. Exfoliation is actually the reason that I started getting a skincare routine, because I love masks and feeling like a product is actually like doing its job. So you just want to put a little bit of the powder and then add like equal parts water. It kind of looks like a gel form like this. Next, I'm going to use a toner. I play young Agatha Danbury in Queen Charlotte, A Bridgerton Story, which is the Bridgerton prequel. I never realized how I definitely needed a skincare routine until after I was coming off of set every day. I'm a massive fanatic of serums. First serum I put usually is called Undefined, a day serum. It's a Black-owned brand. I love it, and I just rub it into my face. My mom's actually the one who taught me that massaging upwards keeps you young. I don't know the science behind that, but I do it. It keeps her happy. Next serum I put is this Aesop serum. It's like a lightweight facial hydrating serum. I've heard that like lathering oils kind of activates them. So the next thing I do is I put on a little eye patch. I usually keep them on for like maybe 10-15 minutes as I like allow my skin to kind of soak in all of the lovely serums. Years shaved off that face because I am obsessed with Money Heist. Love Shiseido because Ursula is one of their brand representatives. I just put a little bit. There's something really nice about just taking a moment to take care of your skin. A little eye cream by Mad Hippie. I end everything off with just a little bit of sunscreen. A lot of us in the Black community have not been thinking about, or it's just not been marketed for us. We thought that we didn't need sunscreen, and then yet here we are with elevated skin cancer rates. So remember to put on your sunscreen. Just smooth everything over. Just love your skin. And I always end with just a little bit of something for the lips. You know, you gotta keep them soft. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my makeup look. I start with a NARS. This is actually the same foundation that I used on set. They let me take it, or I stole it, but we'll keep that between us. And I just go into the cheek areas. Having a makeup artist that knew how to kind of work with my skin, I was afraid. It's one of the things that as a Black actor, you're kind of told like, you may not get the greatest experience with glam. I try not to put too much on my under eyes because I come in with this little bad boy. A little bit here to brighten everything up. So I never watched Bridgerton before. Then I got the audition, and then I was like, okay, I definitely can't watch it because if I don't get it, my heart will be shattered into a million pieces. From university actually taught me it, is I put Vaseline on my lashes just because it makes it thicker when you put on mascara, and then it also means that it comes right off when you take it off. It's like a cocoa butter. And I just put it on my lids like so. This is one of my favorite contour sticks. This is espresso, so it's very dark, but I like it. I put a bit under my nose. Try and contour my massive East African forehead. After the first Zoom meeting with the producers and the director, I went and watched all of Bridgerton because I was like, I now need to study it. And it was so funny because watching it, I realized how much Adjoa, who plays Lady Danbury, looks like my aunt, who everyone in my family says I look like. So I was like, oh my goodness. So I kind of go over everything again with this, maybe for up here to create like a cat eye situation. I put it here, put it here. I like the anime style like aesthetic, and putting like a little bit of a rouge under the nose kind of creates that like very, cute look. I actually met Reggae, Jean Page, and Luke Newton at like a BAFTA after party. I kind of just came up to them like a freshman meeting a senior in high school, and they gave me all of these great tips. So I used then a Skin Glow highlighting serum. I tell you, I'm a massive fan of the serums. This is by the Lip Bar. I just put a little bit on, like so. I use this Lash and Brow Perfector, also stolen from Set. Place those brows. I am obsessed with black liquid eyeliner. I love a winged look. The lashes should be done baking. So I'm using a Wow Extreme Volume Mascara. I just look for something with extreme or long lasting. The reason I buy a lot of mascara is because when it goes empty, I use it for my eyebrows. I use the brow pencil to kind of equalize whatever's going on there. I am obsessed with like a red on the eye. As you can see, I don't use much. And I just put just a hint, because it is going to be a pop. What my makeup artist did, which I love, is puts a little bit on my chin. Okay, that was too much, but you know, just a little bit. I go over with a little bit of a lovely highlighter. You never know where you're gonna actually put it until it's there. This is the lipstick I wore throughout the season. Bobbi Brown, Rich Cocoa. Yes, much like me. You'll always see me with this in my purse. And just add a little bit. I'm gonna go over with, because this is like a lovely base, but we wanna zhuzh it up because it is a night out. This I Am Candy lipstick. It's fierce, much like me. I think you should get products that are the name of what you wanna feel that night. I just kind of go over everything with a beautiful setting spray. My sister got me this. I had never seen a perfume oil before. It's Nest New York. It's a Madagascar vanilla. I think vanilla is one of my favorite scents. So apparently if you put it on your neck, it creates like the oil and the chemicals will actually cause wrinkles to appear on your neck. So it's good to put it on the back. Well, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. And check out Queen Charlotte, the Bridgerton story, now on Netflix. I'm gonna go have some drinks with my friends.